Watch it now. Watch it now.
Talk to me, man.
What would you do if you had to make a decision between being loyal to the past or trying to make a future?
There's a fella I know. I've been planning a meeting with him for a long time. He's gotta go. I thought you got 12 years. Time off for good behavior.
Clean up your image when the mirror reflects, and now you're trying to correct what the mirror rejects. To show your face. Well, now I look at you, cause my fate is getting feeble. I'm trying to think, but my thoughts are illegal, so.
He's gonna have us whacked. And we've got something he wants.
No drugs.
You know how I feel about drugs. Or you'll do it, or I will tell Julius that your Black Beauty has been dispensing more than aspirin.
All wounded soldiers,
Rise up, rise
a
up.
revelation time.
Well, this one is called the ignorant version.
Hold on, Julius.
Free my people, let my people go.
Do you reckon people can change?
Like him!
Yeah!
Pure German bass.
Jamaica has been producing the best pop music in the world since, you know, the late 50s, early 60s.
I think a lot of the kids now that listen to modern music or so-called modern music will be very surprised about, how much of it is actually drawn from the dub stuff going on in the 70s.
You can do anything with dub. It cannot stop. You can just continue to do dub. Dub, you can't stop dub.
And that's why dub is still here, and people are going to still discover dub in 20 years' time when drum and bass is long gone, when hip hop is long gone, maybe rock is long gone. Long gone? Long gone, where are we? China? Long gone, long gone.
Look,
from the roots.
Good morning, Jamaica. Give thanks and praises unto the Most High, Jah Rastafari, King Selassie, ever living, ever sure.
Yes, this is Farmer Roots present to you, 98.3 radio station, out of Babylon. Today is the 23rd of July, which is King Selassie, Imperial Majesty birthday. And I want all my listeners to understand that it's a very special day. I have alongside me a lot of important guests today to deal with.
With Jah, all things are possible. Without Jah, it's impossible. Remember that.
Yo, you're watching Island Hoppers TV. This is Charles from Roots Underground. Bless.